What's good, guys? Today, pretty juiced. We're gonna be dropping my ride height on daily Matrix XRS. Right now it's currently sitting on some Bilstein. It's the Bilstein B18 kit, so Bilstein shocks with some iBox springs. Been rocking this setup for about a year now, and for what it is, I mean, it's great. If you want something that's plug and play, good, like all around, you know, it's a blast. But after I put these wheels on, after running this setup, which is pretty much as wide as I can go, at the lowest offset I can go, before I start pulling fenders and running stretch tires and all that. I'm not trying to do all that. I picked up this kit. It's the Ground Control Coilover kit, or Coilover conversion kit. Pretty much take your existing shocks, and we're gonna put some adjustable perches and some iBox race springs on here. I want to drop down this wheel fitment. I thought I could live with it, but on here, like this, it's not it. It's not it. In the back, I can't do it. I thought I could live with it. No, we gotta change that. This kit runs for about 580 bucks, but I got it on 4th of July sale, so it was like 15% off. And let's see what's inside. Benchmade 940. Ooh. Haha. Alright, let's see what's inside. Always cut away from yourself. Hiya! Alright, so we got some O-rings. Ground controller suspension, sir. Package. Alright. You know what? This isn't smart. I'm gonna grab a table and a tripod and we'll open it up that way. Alright, cool. Ooh. Alright, cool. So we got the camera set up. Let's see what's up in this box. Where we leave off. So we got a couple O-rings, and looks like there's like a little envelope in here. What's up in here? What is this? Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Attention. Please review the contents. Okay. Professional installation required. Luckily for me, I'm a professional. Alright, we got that. Alright, then we got this guy. This looks like a rear. Alright, so we got, I can't see. Got an iBox ground control spring. Looks like this guy sits like this. This is gonna sit like. Okay, so this looks like this is gonna be a rear spring. Oh, it's light. Ooh. Okay. I'll get that later. So it looks like you get a spring isolator. This guy. Alright. Front shock, or front spring. Okay. I'll go over the specs of the spring rates that I'm installing. I had an email chain going back and forth with Andrew over at Ground Control to kind of match the valving in the Bilsteins, and basically what I needed to do, which is do grocery runs, drop my daughter off to school, occasionally go down the back roads, the canyons. These are going to effectively put me out of stock class if I track this or participate in, you know, any SCCA event. But whatever, we'll throw it out there and maybe we'll see what happens. But I just figured I'd drive this every day and I can't deal with every day looking at this wheel gap. At this. It's like, I really like my car, but every time I see it, it's to the point where now we're like, I just see the wheel gap and I'm like, ugh. Alright, so wheel gap. Right now it's pretty much like a 2-inch wheel gap. We're gonna bring this down to like right there, like half an inch. You know, this is fat, man. It's like at least a 2.5-inch wheel gap. We're gonna try to bring this down. I don't know, maybe the back will go down to half and then the front will go down to like a quarter. But we'll see how low they get. Got it. Bilstein. Alright, so I got my shock assembly out. I'm about to dismount the spring from the strut. This is my method. Do at your own risk. So my setup here is, check it out. We got backstop here. And I'm just gonna zap off that side. Hopefully it'll go that way. Hopefully no one gets hurt. Let's see what happens. Please don't fucking kill me. Oh, holy fuck, holy fuck, holy fuck. Alright, that's dangerous as shit. Haha! Alright, so hi Bobby. Come on, Shakti. Hello. You got this set up. I can't concentrate, baby girl. All right, anyway, I got my shock out, got it prepped up, ready to go. Almost O-rings. All right, so the instructions say we're gonna put our O-rings here. It says use 2. This threaded sleeve is gonna go down like so, and then we're gonna take our spring, it's gonna look something like that. At first I said, oh yeah, we'll measure it, blah blah blah, but then the most sensible thing that made sense to me was, let's just go all the way low and see where it takes us. So let's go ahead and do that. So before I put this back in the car, I'm gonna go take out the other side, and then we can compare like the lengths and see if I can get an idea of how much lower the fronts are gonna go before we actually put this on, and we'll find out, is this worth it, or did I just throw money out the window? Let's see. So I don't know how I feel about this. Judging by this, I'm not gonna lie, my hopes aren't very high. Look at this. To the right is my current setup. To the left is the new setup. I think it's the same fucking height. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do right now. Obviously I'm this far along, so I'm gonna fucking install it because it's not like I can return it. Drama is super high. I don't know what to expect, but I'm not gonna lie, it's not looking great. All right, so I got everything bolted up together. It's kind of like the moment of truth now. I got them as low as I think as low as I think they can be safely. I'll show you. So they come on these little collars. I got these MFs spun down. Oh, okay, so the bottom has like a thing where you literally max out. Shit. I got the collar literally like all the way down, like damn near not all of the threads are coming into contact, so I guess we'll find out real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna lower the car and we'll see what the wheel gap is after. Bro, this is damn near the same fucking height it was. Bro, that might even be higher than it was. Fuck. It's the look of defeat right here. Pretty disappointed. Like, I don't really have any words, really. Like, this sucks. I'm gonna try to initiate a refund. I mean, speaking with Ground Control, you know, I sent them photos of my car, the wheel gap. We talked about my goals, how much I needed it to drop by, and it's like I gotta go back to the drawing board. It's pretty much I'm gonna have to run coilovers, which is fine, but to run this wheel setup with some coilovers, I'm probably gonna have to run extended studs, at least a 5mm eccentric spacer in the front. Just hella extra shit. Or I might just keep this stock. Or not stock, but keep the Ibach, keep the Bilstein Pro kit on. I don't know. Now I don't know if I want to like go lift weights to like burn this anger disappointment off, or eat junk food. I don't know. Somebody send help. Pray for me.
So it took you, how long did it take? Like 2 hours?
Yeah.
Hammer it
I could have gotten in faster, but like I'm like
right, and it's hot.
at the same time. It's hot.